Hey there, YouTube creators looking for the perfect music to elevate your videos and keep them copyright safe? Today I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound step by step to find, download, and add music to your YouTube content. Let's dive in. First, head to epidemicsound.com and sign up. They offer a 7-day free trial, which is a great way to test the platform. Once you're set up, you'll have full access to Epidemic Sound's extensive library. Now that we're in, let's find the right music for your video. Start by clicking on the Music tab. Epidemic Sound's library is massive, with over 40,000 songs covering a range of genres and moods. To make it easier, think about the mood or style you want, like jazz, pop, or cinematic. Once you're in a genre, you can even sort by popularity to see the top tracks. Listen to a few options by clicking the play button next to each track to find the perfect fit for your video. Found a track you love? It's time to download. Click the download button and you'll see options for a full mix or individual stems, like just a melody or bass. This is perfect for customizing music layers to fit specific scenes in your video. You can also choose the file format MP3 for standard quality or WAV for higher quality. Once you've selected your preferences, just hit download. To ensure your videos are copyright safe, make sure you link your YouTube channel directly in your Epidemic Sound account. This way, any video using Epidemic Sound's music will automatically be cleared for copyright, preventing strikes or claims. If you're using other social platforms, link those too. This will help you avoid copyright issues across all your channels. With your music downloaded and your channel protected, you're ready to add the track to your video. Simply import the file into your editing software, place it in your timeline, and position it wherever it fits best in your content, and that's it. Using Epidemic Sound is a quick and reliable way to find high-quality, copyright-cleared music for your YouTube videos. Try it out and see how professional sound can elevate your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what music styles you're excited to try for your next video.